BNB, we start with 1 hour chart. First of all, if you refer to our analysis in my last video when the price was exactly within this move, I mentioned if you want to look for buy, let this one give us one more drop with the breakout of the previous low, and this is exactly what we get. Okay, that's why I mentioned buying at this correction is not really a good idea. Anyway, whoever get the sell from here, they have to stop up to manage or move their either take out the profit or move their stop loss to break even. The best thing is take out the profit. Okay, but we didn't talk about the sell because the only way to look for sell having entry below this, because even if we mention even if we refer to 15-minute chart, as we can see, the only way either having entry below here and here, there was no trade setup to look for. But we mentioned if we wants to look for buy, we can expect the price to go for one more drop. That's why I was keep highlighting, let the price drop before we get the trade. That's why we have been looking for the price to drop, but there was no proper trade setup to look for sell. All right, that's why, as I mentioned, the only way to look for sell having entry either below here or here. All right, this kind of the trade, which we call it the short-term trade, we don't add in our analysis. That's why we mentioned we're looking for flat for one more drop. Then from there, any reversal we can look for buy. Now we want to see whether we can get the reversal or not, because we have been looking for this flat and exactly this is what we get. Okay, now we want to see whether we can turn this one to the internal flat in relative to this for one move up. This is what we're looking for if we get. All right, now first we move to daily chart. And as what we expected, I mentioned the price can consolidate here for a longer time. This is exactly as what we see the price reverse. That's why I mentioned whoever wants to buy, let the price drop before we look for buy. That's why I mentioned we cannot buy at the top. Okay, and right now, even we can expect the price drop some more, even with the price retest to break the previous low. But from now, any reversal, any buy, I will take the trade. Okay, do we need to look for sell? We don't have any trade set up to look for sell, and we don't want to buy at the lowest price of this correction. The only thing is let this drop some more. Any reversal with the flag, we will take it, and with the breakout of this, we start to manage. This is what we're looking for. Okay, and it depends on the traders what type of the trade setup or strategy they use. The simplest way to look for the sharp move flag, we take the trade. Okay, and the only thing is after the price break the previous top, which is almost maybe consider 425, then from there, if there is a continuation, we keep the trade. If not, we take out the trade. Anyway, if we get any reversal, then from there I will give update. And one thing I need to highlight here, can we expect this one even break the previous low and drop some more? Yes, but do we have the trade set up to look for sell? We don't have it. And right now, we don't want to look for sell at the lowest price of this correction. In case there is a continuation, let the price break the previous low. If we see there is a continuation after that, any trade setup for sell, we can take the trade. Okay, but right now, if we get any reversal, any trade setup for buy, this is what we are more interested to look for. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.